Last one. You got the wings, you came up to heaven, right? And you find out the real Jesus poor nail, right? And now, do you know why poor nails Jesus used?
Two and two arms.
Yeah, two in hands and two on feet, right? You know when you are a grade 1, you do the drawing circle, triangle, and square, correct? How many corner the square?
Huh?
The square, when you do the drawing square, triangle is 3 corner. But what about the square? How many corner?
4.
4. You know what is the symbol of 4? Door. Door of gate of heaven, right? That's why Jesus used a 4 nails. Now, Elobel, when you find the gate, you enter to heaven now, right? Because you had the wings, right? And then you're gonna look, where are you, Jesus? Where are you, Lord? You cannot see God. You know why?
Why?
God is the light. God is a light, because when you know the planet sun and the planet moon, the sun give daylight on earth, the moon give night light on earth, and that light is God. So when you go to heaven, you will not see a human body, Jesus. You will see a soul, a spirit of God is a big light. That's God. It's a light. There is no human in heaven. They are all angels and spirit. So when you go to heaven, Lord Jesus, where are you? Can you find him? No, it's not human. What do you see then to see God? Light, right? For God is a light. You can hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Now and said and Jesus said, God said, Angel Elobel, welcome to my kingdom heaven. You got the wings of angel. Okay? But I'm gonna take away your wings. You know why?
Why?
He gonna change it to a light. You will become a twinkle, twinkle, little star. like because God is light and a big light, and the angel, he gonna change them the wings into light, like a twinkle, twinkle, heavenly star. How did you like that?
I like it.
Yeah, you become a light because you came up with the wings. You are good. You get the reward wings. But the reward is not a wings in heaven. He said, I'm gonna take your wings because there is no more evil. To confuse you, there's no more evil temptation in heaven. In heaven, there's no evil. We are all angel and we are all perfect and holy. And I am God, said, and you are my angel. Now, because you are my angel, the wings, I'm gonna give you a reward. I will change it into a heavenly star, a light. End of the story. Did you like that? Which one is the best story? The last one, the beginning, or second, or the third?
I like all.
Oh, yes. Wow. We did not know that we become a heavenly star. But the heavenly star is not big as God. God is the biggest light, and then the next light is the heavenly star. The end. Can you share that to your classmate?
Okay.
Yeah, do you like them? They are biblical comedy logic, right? Right? I invented the story. It could be true story. It could be not, but what you believe, it will happen. It is a true story because when I died in a car accident, I died 20 minutes. I went up to heaven. I see the light of God and I see the light of the angel. They are heavenly star. And that is true story. How do you like to be a heavenly star, right? But then, remember when I am a little in Philippines, when I am at your age, I look up to the sky, I look the star, heavenly star, they are flying. Like they said they are moving. See? That's why we have a lot of heavenly star in the sky. One of them will be yours. If you come up to heaven with the wings, do not come up to heaven with the chicken wings, okay? You know why? You cannot come up there because you're chicken wings. Okay. Did you like it? You like them all, right?
Opo.
I am your Grandma Amelia. What is my name?
Grandma Amelia.
Am I a good comedian?
Opo.
Did you enjoy them as your age?
Opo.
You are 8 years old. You understand all my jokes. Are they for children or they are also for adult?
Opo.
They are for children and for big also, right? Right? Okay. If you remember them, tell a joke to your ate Ellis. Do not tell the answer right away. Where is the wings? Right? Make him crazy to think about where is your wings, right? And then make him crazy like how many days did you travel from your wings from heaven to the earth, right? and then tell your ate, if you are good, you will get angel wings. But if you are bad, what kind of wings? Oh, tell to ate, right? And then when you say if you're bad, how do you say what kind of wings? What's the answer if you're bad?
Chicken wings.
But do not say chicken wings. You connect the from El Polo Loco. So it will be funny because remember you are a comedian, right? Again, Elobel, what if you are bad, Elobel? What kind of wings you will get?
Chicken wings from El Polo Loco.
Yes, that's what I would like to hear. It has continuation. Chicken wings from El Polo Loco. Why? Because you can apply if you are a chicken wings up to the roof only, to the roof of the building. Not you cannot go up to heaven, right? If they need explanation. And now